Up next, we've got addition of polynomials. We won't do every single example on here because I feel like once you kind of see me do it a couple of times, you'll get the swing of it. And also, again, kind of if I don't do all of them, it forces you to come talk to me, which I want you to do. Two terms are like terms if they each have the same variables and the corresponding variables are raised to the same powers. So to add polynomials, you group like terms. Combine the, quote, like terms by adding their coefficients. So explain why the terms 5a and 5a cubed are not like terms. Well, remember, pause the video, kind of sit and stew on it a little bit, think about it, pause or play when you're ready. Remember that 5a is equal to 5a. And 5a cubed is equal to 5 times a times a times a, right? So now these are certainly not like terms because the left we've got 1a and on the right we've got 3 a's. So that's why they're not, quote, like. Yes, they both have a 5. Yes, they both have an a. But technically the a cubed has 3 a's, right? So we're going to add the polynomials. So it's pretty easy when you've got the two different letters. So a's are with a's, b's are with b's. So sometimes what I like to do is separate them visually, maybe like an underline in a box. So now that when I add their coefficients together, it's visually more appealing. So 5a plus 3a is 8a. Now 3b minus 7b is negative 4b because we are just combining the coefficients. So for 7, I'm going to let you do 7 on your own. Very similar to 6, except you just have an extra term. So remember, this is technically, if I have 5, that's 5x to the 0. So treat it kind of the same. Or excuse me, 5x to the 0. Helps if I write what I say. 8, we'll look at 8 because fractions, right? Who likes fractions? The answer is a nobody and liars, right? Yeah, nobody and liars like fractions. That's kind of a joke, right? Hopefully you find that funny. So again, emphasizing, I got a C into C, D and a D. And then here, we've just got coefficients, or constants rather, pardon me. So I've got 3/4 C plus 1/4 C plus 1/5 D plus 2/5 D minus 3/8 minus 1/8. So visually now I'm just combine. So 3/4 plus 1/4 is 4/4, right? Which is just 1C plus 5/5 plus 2/5 is 3/5 D minus 3/8 minus 1/8 is negative 4/8, right? This is negative 4/8. What is negative 4/8? Negative 1/2. So, all in all, I've got C plus 3/5 D minus 1/2. Yay! Number 9 is really nice. I'm not going to do 9. I think you can get it on your own. If not, shoot me a question. You're just combining, right? You're adding like you would see previously, right? It already has it set up really nicely for you so that things are all in their own column and you're just adding down. So these blank spaces, how are you going to treat them? Like zeros. Awesome.